One important thing every one of you, especially every young man, should know is that a single mother prioritize his child or children more than you, who is trying to maybe wife her. The reason I say you should avoid them is at some point she would definitely try to go to the baby daddy, and they may have get along and become intimate and all those kind of stuff. As a marrying a single person or mother is more like scoring, going to a football match, starting a football match with three or 2-0, depending on the number of children. She has nothing to do with you. She's interest is how to take the child. She take care of the child. She's interested in someone that will take care of the child. Don't think that it's love, all about love. Why didn't the people that gave her those children marry her? And now it's not innocent you that want to go in to marry her. Have you thought of that kind of thing? Have you thought of that before? Oh, she looks nice, she looks nice. And yet nobody married her. Nobody wifed her. When we are talking about these kind of things, you don't have to be a simp. You understand? You don't have to be a simp. You need to prioritize yourself first. You can't start a football match with one mouth already. No. Football match starts with 0-0. Find someone who is a virgin and marry, who has good character and all those kind of God fearing and all that, and get married to the person. Don't go for a single mother. If she was good enough, why did those people she dated leave her? When you talk about these things, you don't have to be too emotional. Don't be emotional when it comes to single mother of a thing. Don't be emotional. Don't be emotional. You have to be logical as a man. Be logical. Because you bear the brunt at the end. When the whole things become reality, when you wife her, it becomes clear to you that, oh, she was not really interested in you, but rather you're interested in your resources. All these single mothers, some of them, when they were young, playing all these kind of games, they will tell you that they want a man like this, they want a man like now that man disappointed them. Then they come around to tell you that if you must love me, you must love my child. They suddenly put that kind of rule on you. What happened when they were 24 years, when they were 23 years, when men were flocking, coming suitors were coming, they felt like they are all in all. Now along the line, things now happened. They now look at innocent you to take you as someone who will begin to take father the child. Be careful as a young man. Don't fall for those kind of things. Don't fall for that. Do not fall for that. As a single mother, avoid them at all costs. As much as possible, avoid marrying a single mother. Avoid it. He will go back to the very daddy at some point, though. Be careful. Be careful. This is a word I want to give to especially those simps around the world. Thank you for listening.